Hello guys, welcome back. Today is all about variables. Now, variables are all about giving a name to data. It saves time. So, these can be called anything you want to be. You could call it llama or chicken or goats or anything you want to. I'm going to be a bit more conventional though. I'm going to go for line. So I say line equals. Now, for a text variable, you must have speech marks or quotation marks, okay? So either those, the speech marks, or these. Both work fine. First time round, I'm going to use speech marks, and then here's one I made earlier. Boom. You know I'm all about the base. Sweet, nice. Although it goes on a bit too far for this screen. Never mind, we'll survive. So, next thing. There we are. Now, if anywhere in the program I say use line, it will say, what's line? Oh, it's this data here. You know I'm all about the base. So, new line. Let's print this out. So, print, open brackets, and line. And you know any variable you want to. Now then, so go back to variable demo here. Run variables demo. And down here, well, you know, I'm all about the base. Cool. Now, the reason variables are called variables is because they can change. So say I want to change it. Say I come down here and I say line equals, I'll use quotation marks this time just to demonstrate something, about the base, no treble. Now, you can see here, guys, that A, I can't spell treble, but B, more importantly, the computer thinks that the apostrophe, instead of A here, I'm all about the base, not about the base. So this apostrophe here, that thinks it's going to match up with this one here, and thus it closes the variable, and all this is underlined in red saying, what are you doing, you strange person? So how can I make the computer realise that this quotation mark here, this quote here, is actually part of the lyric and not matching out of this one? Well, it's quite simple. You just put a slash before it. So now it has got that in there and it's all there. So if I want to print line again now, just come down here and I write print brackets line. Fingers crossed. We should get the full set of lyrics sitting right there. You know I'm all about the bass, no treble. Perfect. So that is how you use string variables with Python. In the next video, we're going to go over how to do number variables with Python, which promises to be equally cool, so I look forward to seeing you all then.